Hello and welcome back to Lion Bull Academy. Today we start a new section in the channel that's gonna be indicators. I'm gonna make a lot of videos from each kind of indicator, explain the practical way to use it. I don't want to make theory here, I'm gonna just use it practical way because the indicator is already there. You really at the moment don't need to know how it's building. Yes, the simple then possible. Okay, today we're gonna start with a moving average, the simple moving average, what it is, how to use it, and we're gonna make a simple strategy to use in Etoro that working really great. Okay, let's start. What is a moving average? A moving average is this line that you normally see. Okay, let's start make one first of all. We go to here in this here. Where is this kind of pen? Go to steadies 2, then you go to moving average. Then in periodo, it's the number that represent the number of candles you want to make the average price. So if you want to know the movement of the average price of the last 50 candles, you just put 50 here. It means each number represents one candle. 50 number, the number 50 is represent 50 candles. Um, Here we put close. It means we are interested only in the close price because from all the candle he asks you which one you want to. You have many really. You have the open price, the close price, the high price, the low price, the average close, and here really I never use this one, so I don't have idea. We will learn this together after. Okay, continue. Type, we use simple because we're going to use the simple moving average. Next videos I will explain about all this one. Everyone have his pros and his cons. Compensation we let in 0, don't need it. So let's start with the first one. We put green and we put 15 candles, 50 candles, sorry. Um, Type simple, enclose, and create. This is a simple moving average. What we use it for? For what? First, you can understand the trend more easily. If the price is below the 50 moving average, it's a downtrend. If the price is above, it's a uptrend. How we can use for a strategy? Okay, here already with one, we can already make one simple strategy. Which one is that? When the price broke it above the moving average, we buy, and we close when broke below, and we sell, and we close when broke above, like this. Everything you just follow that way by way. He make very good result in a trend market, but a little bit choppy and not profitable in the lateral market. So what we can do it for, at least don't get so much, how we filter better with this operation. So we introduce a second moving average, second one, and this is gonna be 100. It means gonna count the average price of the last 100 candles. Also simple and to close, and we put red one, and here it is. Okay, what we do it now? When the price broke above the 2 moving average and have to be the red below the green one. It means the green have to be up and the red below. Then we enter. The best way to enter is when the price, just like you see here, the 2 moving average. Let's try to zoom a little bit. The price go first below the green moving average, then broke above, and the price of the candle price go also above. Then we buy, and we close. Exists two ways to close. You can close when the price broke below the green or broke below the red one. That's up to you. We can go looking even more here. You can see here, green go above the red one, the price broke above, we enter. We can close here or we can close here. You can see very simple way to do it. Now let's look in one cell. Here, what we do it, I explained how to avoid a little bit this situation. If it's still the red line below the green one, it means the green is above the red one, we're just looking for enter for a buy position. So we will enter only here and close here because it's not it's broke. Then the price go down, then we enter again here and close here, sorry. So we will have two loose operation here, two operation who they are loose. It's normally not every strategy working 100%, so that will be we can choose two stuff or avoid directly the when the moving average are lateral, they are don't show angle, you can see here. Then we avoid to buy in these moments, and we buy only when the moving average start have some kind of degree. Okay, example here we can buy here, and we will close around here, so will be also some profit, not too much, but will be. Then here we don't do nothing, and the next operation will be here. You see the green line broke above the red one. We are ready for catch the price. When the price will broke above also, we enter. Here's the situation. So like you can see, it's a strategy very simple to use it. It's working really great. We have around 60% probabilities to get the operation in profit. Other stuff I want to explain you. I use this strategy only in stocks. I don't use in forex. In forex working not so good, and we use 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day, because if you put below that time frame is a lot of fake enters that just gonna make you lose your account. Second one, if you use X1, imagine you just use it X1 with $50 for operation, and you make $1 a day. Here you will make a little bit more, but we counting like you make $1 a day each day. You will get around $20 a month just by use this operation. It's just for you have an idea. It's really a great strategy. You can see alone, you can see example in this place, profits. Here you can re-enter if the price happen again like this, that's up to you, or just waiting for the next point. So you can say one profit, two profit, one loss, two loss if you take it this zone. But when you see that the price they start become, I will already here don't trade and wait a confirmation, right, like example here, and then enter exactly in this zone when already show me a big sell place. So two profits, big pips, small losses, big pips again. So you can see it's a great strategy. I hope you understand what is a moving average. Simple way, the simple moving average, how to make one in your chart, what's mean and how to use it. If you like the video, please like it. If you have some question, please comment below. Maybe I can explain you better if you something don't understand it. Subscribe to the channel and wait for the next videos. I will make a lot videos all about indicators and how to use with simple strategies. You can combine some indicators for filter better the market. See you next time.